Alright, so it's about, I don't know, it's probably 8:30. Hiking over toward the falls over here. I'm gonna grab some water, filter some water out here, and take it back. And we'll probably have a little breakfast and some coffee, and then we'll do a little exploring. Out here in bear country, it's really important to always have your bear spray. Yeah, there are grizzlies in this part of the world, and you do not want to run into one of those guys. Whoa. It's always good to have a fail-safe way to start your stove. We have the most basic thing you can possibly have. It's a flint and steel. Make a spark. So I'm just going to turn up the gas just a tiny bit. That's it. So one thing I need to mention is that if you want to totally eliminate all the bacteria, the viruses, the parasites in water from these rivers up here in the mountains, you're going to want to boil it. Bring it to a rolling boil and hold it there for at least 1 full minute. And that's going to kill all of those things and make the water safe for you to drink. Now, Alicia actually did an article for PopSci online, and we're going to put a link to that in the description. The article just covers all the different ways that you can purify and disinfect your water to make it safe to drink. So once we post it, it'll be in the description. Check it out. So we're getting ready to go, and Alicia just asked me, what am I doing about that? And my answer is, I'm gonna Ansel Adams this crap, because it's way too hard to pack it and then unpack it, take off the tripod. It's just a pain.
So it's raining and we don't have much else to do. I didn't bring a book this time because the only books I had in the car were thicker ones and heavier, and I didn't want to carry them. So we have Farckle with teeny tiny little dice. See, look how small they are. Teeny tiny. They're very teeny tiny. We bought 10 of them, even though you only need 6 to play, because we anticipated losing many of them. I believe we have 9 left, which is pretty good considering we bought them last summer, and we've used them on quite a few trips so far. So we're playing teeny tiny Farckle in our rainy tent. Yay!